Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create a simple Swordigo mod. So let's get started. First, extract the FileRift folder. Click extract to archive. This will extract it in a folder. Now open the extracted folder. There are 2 main files and 4 main folders. These are the files required for modding Swordigo. So first, install the Pydroid 3 app from Play Store and open it. This application will allow us to run Python scripts. Click the file icon and tap on Open. Navigate to the FileRift folder and .openconfig.py file. Also open FileRift.py file. Change the rift_mode variable to decode. And make sure to save the file. Now run the FileRift.py file by clicking the play button. Once it says program finished, you can exit. Now let me tell you about the 4 main folders. The decode_in folder contains all the encoded files that you want to decode in a readable format, that is Lua. The decoded_out folder contains the .output, that is decoded files, that you can edit. Anything that is put in the recode_in folder will get encoded. And finally, the recode_out folder will have the output, that is the encoded files. I recommend you to download Mount File Manager. It will save you a lot of time. Open the _out folder on one side and re_in folder on the other. We will modify heroes.walk, run speed, and jump height. For that, open hero.scl file. It contains the things we want to modify, that is the player's movement. Copy it to recode_in folder, and open it using the built-in text editor in MT Manager. These are the values we need to edit. Run speed is the walking speed. Sprint speed is the running speed, and jump height is hero's jump height. You can have any values, but I don't recommend extremely high values like 1500 or 2000. Anything below 1000 should be fine. Once you're done, save the file. Open Pydroid 3 app. Change the rift_mode variable to .recode and save the file. As you can, the hero.scl file and the .recode_in folder got encoded. As you know, the recode_in output is the .recode_out folder, so open recode_out folder.
Yeah.